Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you what a 13-year-old boy did in front of me with his phone and the internet, just with those two things, and he did it in under 5 minutes. I was very impressed because I was like, this guy is very young and he was able to do this kind of thing, and this kind of the thing he did was, I see it as something that is able to put your business in front of the world in a very cost-effective manner, you know, very cheap way of, putting your business out there in a professional manner. So I was impressed. And to be sincere with you, if that thing that he did, because of how simple and how easy it was and how fast it was, I actually think that a child of, let's say, the age of 6 to 7 years old can as well achieve that, because it's just too simple. It's funny, but it's real. This guy did it in front of me there, under 5 minutes, way under 5 minutes, and I was impressed. So I'm not just going to show you what he did, I'm going to show you exactly how he achieved this from the beginning to the end. That is why I'm making this video today. I want to show you how he made it from start to finish. All right, so if this is something you are interested in, please don't miss out on anything I'm going to do here, because if you miss out, you will not get the full gist you get. So I'm going to show you practical, step by step, how he did it. It's very simple. Like I said, a 6-year-old, 7-year-old child can also achieve this. It's just too easy. Even my grandma or your grandma too will be able to achieve this. Just stay tuned to the end of this video and you'll see what I'm talking about.
First thing you do is to click on Play Store on your phone. Then you search for chatgpt app. Then you click on the install button and then follow the procedures, register and stuff using your email you get, or whatever way you want. Just register and do your stuff. Guys, you are welcome to ChatGPT. For me, I'm going to register with my email. That's my Google mail. All right. So I'm going to snap this. All right. I'm going to snap this stuff. This is what I'm going to snap. Then I'll go to the next step. All right. So guys, once you have downloaded the app and you've installed it, you click on it. This is the page you are going to see if you're on the right app. All right. So we're going to click on that plus sign on the left hand side. All right. And click on photos so that we can take that photo that we just snapped. All right. So that we can upload it. You get. So once you've selected the photo, you click on add to upload it. The only two things that we can do now is to sit down and watch. Yeah, after it uploads, then you type in edit in shop. Just 3 words prompt, okay? Then you watch ChatGPT do its magic. Please remember to click the enter button or no magic for you, all right? At this point in time, you can take your popcorn and your very cold drink and just wait, relax. All right? Bam! Food is ready. Which do you prefer? Personally, I think I'll go for the second image, because I like the way it looks more real. My hand holding the stuff you get, so I think that's the one I'll go for. So you click on your preferred image and then you can decide to either edit it or you share it, or understand. So it depends on what you want to do.
All right, so guys, you've seen what happened, how this was actually achieved. And please, before I go on, I'll say, if you found value in this video, please do well to like the video and also do well to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy the content, so that you can receive more content like this in the future. You get, because I always release videos like this. All right, so just do that to support me. Okay, thank you very much as you comply. And two powerful things I observed, or I've why I like this thing that you know, this guy did is number one, I observed that no matter the camera quality of your phone, ChatGPT is going to enhance the quality if you observe from what I snapped to what was the final edited output. You will see that there's an upgrade, there's an enhancement in the picture quality. So you don't have to be worried about your camera quality any longer. That's one. Secondly, I observed that ChatGPT will read the content of what you are snapping. That's the like the cover. It will read the content, it will understand the content and produce an environment that fits that particular product they are trying to showcase. For example, what do I mean? That thing I snapped now was a soldering iron. You look at the environment of the picture, you find out that it has to do with, there was a panel on the table, because that's what he used to work, panels and stuff. You see other things that had to do with um, electrical stuff, in the background of the picture. If, for example, now you use something like let me say something like this now. If you use something like this stuff that have to do with hair, okay? If you use something like this, now what will ChatGPT do? It's going to read these contents here. You're going to read this anti-dandruff spray. You can try it out to see what I'm saying. It will read the content, it will understand the content, and then you will see that it's going to put similar nature of these things around the environment. So it's going to be like, this is what you deal in. You understand? If you use a power bank or a phone to to do this thing that I'm talking about now, it will make the environment of that picture to be like a gadget shop. You understand? So that is the second powerful thing that I observed that happened in this experiments. You get? So I would like you to try it out and put your comments in the what you observe in the comment section. Tell me how it went. Okay, so just three words of prompts. And he was able to achieve this, and you'll be able to achieve it too. You just have to put it into practice, and don't forget to comment on the comment section how it went. If possible, share a picture with me and stuff. Yet, so thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.